Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to upload photos to Google Drive from Android. So let's start. First, let's go to our Google Drive. I'm here. So just click there and then just click on the icon that says plus. So here you can create another folder. So just click in folder and you can click here, for example, photos. Just click create and then just go to photos folder and then just click again to the plus symbol and then you can click here on upload. Here you can upload pictures, photos, whatever you want. So just click on image and then appears all the image on your device. So just click on the pictures that you want to upload on Drive. So just click here. And well, that is how you can start uploading photos on your Google Drive without any problem. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.